Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Canon R6. So I bought this camera refurbished from Amazon. HDMI cable. Here is the battery as well. Here's the battery charger. Canon R6 strap. With the Canon body. Here's the body. Sorry, I tried to fix the lighting, but it didn't really fix it. Just kind of made it worse, but I tried. Which is very nice if you plan to do video. Feels super light. I know the battery's not in it, and there's no lens. My lens comes tomorrow, but feels very light. Everything feels good. Buttons all work. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.